Hi guys, welcome back to KCK Online Videos. It's your girl Peachy here with my little friend White Doggy, and in today's video we will be showing you how to upload YouTube videos straight from your phone to your TikTok. But guys, before we continue, if you haven't watched this video of how we are generated through AI, creating creatures like us, talking avatars, if you haven't watched that video yet, we are going to link it in the description down below. Please click on it right after this video and watch the video. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Hit the notification bell to get all the information first. So first thing we are going to do is we're going to go to our app store. If you're using an iPhone or any Apple product, you'll go to Apple Store, and if you're using Android, you'll go to Play Store and you click on the button just like that. Then you'll go up here and search for Black Hole Cart. You click on it, then you install that app onto your phone. Like you see, I already installed mine, so I'm just going to open the app. This is what it looks like in the inside. So next we are going to go to our YouTube channel. We will go to the video that we want to share to TikTok. I want to share this video that says how to create a free talking avatar step-by-step guide. It's the one that I want to download. So I'm going to click on it over there. Then I'm going to click on share. I'll copy the link. Then after copying the link, we are going to go back to our Black Hole Cat app. And then we just click on it like that. So it will automatically generate the link, and it will automatically download the video for you into your gallery. So we're just going to wait for it to finish downloading. Like you can see, once you come to the gallery, it's already there. You can see the video.
Welcome friends, I'm Lanny's AI friend Red, and if you want to see how she brought me to life, click link in bio to watch the whole video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
So that's the video that we want to use. Once we have it saved into our camera roll, we are going to go ahead and reduce on the size, because the Instagram size is 16:9 ratio. So we need to reduce it to a size that can fit onto TikTok. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using two different video editors. You can choose which one you're more flexible with. There is CapCut, which looks like this. Then there is also, once you open VN, it will bring you to this page and you're going to click on new project. So after clicking on new project, you're going to click on the video that you want to edit. This is the video that I want to edit. Then you click on next. Then after that, we will go up here where it says original, and we will change the ratio to the TikTok ratio, which is 9:16. And like you can see, it has reduced in size. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the video to how many seconds that we want it to run for. So I only want the intro part, so let's get that.
Welcome friends, I'm Lanny's AI friend Red, and if you want to see how she brought me to life, click link in bio to watch the whole video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
So that's the only part I want. Then we are going to click on split. Then we will delete this other part that we don't want to use. Then next, we will go and click on this button that says, this blue button up here. Then we are going to export our video. We will give it some time to save. So yeah, now our video is ready. And the next step you're going to do is you're just going to go open your TikTok app.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell.
We will upload it here.
Welcome friends, I'm Lanny's AI friend Red, and
if you want to add a description, hashtags, anything that you want to edit here, you'll put it. And then once you're happy with how everything looks, you can click on the post and you can post the video. Guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all the love and support. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And guys, like I told you in the beginning of this video, you can click on the link in the description below to watch the video of how we generate these AI videos. Thank you so much and see you in my next one, guys. Bye.